Hey, YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. This was an unboxing, and I was doing an unboxing. And then it was, for some reason, it stopped. Anyway, so I just opened it up. Let's do a little. This is Google Wi-Fi. My open mesh network at home started crapping out on me, frankly. And so I decided to upgrade a little bit. This is $250 on Amazon. It's $300 if you buy it on Google directly, but you get a free Google Home. But I have Alexa's Echoes. So I didn't want to mix Google Home. I didn't want to mix my surveillance devices. Stick with one platform to surveil me. That's fine. So anyway, drop me a comment if you want to see me do a video summary on how I set this up. Because I have, one's going to go in the main house right by my TV. One's going to go in my office, which is attached to my garage, which is not attached to my house, to give me the coverage I need. And then one's going to go where I have gaps in coverage. And I'm not sure where that might end up now. But the one in the house and the garage, my office, will be wired. And this one will likely not be wired. So, yeah, I don't know. It isn't that heavy though. I mean, these things are pretty bulky. Maybe I'll open that up on camera, we'll see. But the thing you guys care about, I know, right? I'm an amateur. I need to know when I'm going to kill myself and then when I'm not. So I got the Klein Tools electrical test kit on Amazon. It's $25. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I've been playing around with electrical stuff, and it gives me the heebie-jeebies. I want a really quick, am I going to kill myself thing. And also, going all the way down to 12 volts is going to be nice because I'm doing some projects with Raspberry Pis with my students. So the outlet tester would have helped me out the other day when I was trying to figure out what was going on with my outdoor outlet, frankly, because, anyway, not getting into it, but tell me what you think. Some of the reviews where these things are too sensitive from too far away, but I'm really curious. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. But if this is all you care about, Klein Tools stuff and tool stuff, go ahead and just subscribe, comment, like right now, share, whatever. Leave me a comment, but I'll go ahead and crack this open. Now my concern, I bought this before Black Friday. My concern with this is that I'm going to open it, I'm going to set it all up, and then it's going to go on sale for some ridiculous number, and then when I want to get the price difference back, I bought it on Amazon, they'll be like, no, you got to send it back, and then I'd have to tear everything down, pull it all out, disconnect everything, send it back, and then put a whole new one in. So I'm really not sure if I want to open this. And I suppose removing the shrink wrap ain't no big deal. Let's see here. I'm trying to be careful so I don't mess anything else up. It's actually pretty heavy. I didn't expect it to be heavy at all. Slide it out. Like that. Ooh, nifty. They're definitely bigger than I thought. So it's got to the internet, power, network, WAN, LAN, electrical. There we go. And it looks like you just scan some stuff down here at the bottom. Let's see, are they all? No, they're all different. I'm gonna go ahead and edit that out, showing you guys the bottom because some of the images are specific to my network. So I'll edit that out. Pretty nice, they're not. Not too heavy, but what do we got here? A couple things. I'll show you what's on the inside. So let's get started. Card, it's 2 steps. Essentially, plug it in, turn on the app, and then it looks like all the wires down there. So I'll have power. Box says it has power and an Ethernet cable. 3 Wi-Fi points, 3 power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. So there will be an Ethernet cable in there somewhere, but 3 power cables as well. So there you go. Google Wi-Fi 3-pack unboxing. There it is. I'll set this up maybe over the holiday break. Maybe not. Like I said, I'm afraid that they're going to go on sale, and then Amazon will make me turn them back over or something to get the money back. But if you guys have this, tell me what you think. Leave me a comment. If you feel that you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. You want to see some of my older videos. I'll be doing more in tools pretty soon. I got another video in the hop about installing my fire pit, and then I'm going to be making the toolbox tour tomorrow. I already told my wife. She's going to give me the time I need. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Luke. This one didn't take an hour. And I'm such an amateur, I even messed up my own ending. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. This didn't take an hour. Peace.